to another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by one of my most favorite things to do in the entire world, and that is DIY. Yay! I love to DIY because it's slightly challenging, it's fun, and always extremely rewarding. So I try to do projects that are very easy to do, that do not include like huge power tools or anything of that nature. In my kitchen, I had this big table and it just was collecting stuff. And I was like, you know, I really need to create an island. So of course I took it to Pinterest. And I just did DIY island. For this project, I did use a kitchen cabinet. She got it from a store called The Restore, and it's a Habitat for Humanity store. So what's really great about that store is that you never know what you're gonna get when you go inside because it's always unknown, and also the prices are so great. So I always say, if you're gonna go to one of those stores, bring a truck. The reason why I went to the Habitat for Humanity store is because if you go into any hardware store, if you buy like a single cabinet that's like unfinished, it's literally like $80 or $100. And I am always like, why is this so expensive? So I went there and I found the most perfect pre-finished white cabinet for $55. Oh my gosh, it was like deal of the century. I bought the cabinet, and then the next step was finding a top for it. So this is kind of where my mind was going all over the place. And I remember that I had this old table in there, and I was like, you know what, I wonder if that would fit. But if not, like I said, the Restore also has lots of options for you, or you can just get even more creative via Pinterest. So let's just get into this really fun and fast tutorial. I literally did this project in just a couple of hours, and I am thrilled at it. So here we go.
Here's the old setup that I had in my kitchen. As you can see, it's actually quite large, but it worked. So here is that new cabinet. Really happy that I found it pre-finished in white, which goes perfectly. And then I'm gonna cruise to the back as I will be finishing that up with a wallpaper right there. So here's that table that I found in my garage. I was like, wait a minute, this will work perfectly. So I cleaned it and of course spray painting it. I just wanted to make sure that none of that would pop through the marble. So I just quickly, lightly sprayed it all around. Very easy breezy. After it dried, I just put it right on top of the cabinet. I did remove one of the ends. Now I did not glue this down, but it's also very heavy, so it's not going anywhere. So I really, really like it, and it's absolutely perfect for everything that I need.
All right, so some other things we're gonna need. I am going to use this wallpaper. I actually have used it in my hallways. It kind of mimics that right there. My trusty spray Gorilla Glue. This product right here is no joke. I love it. So I love having these things around because I just literally sprayed the paper after measuring it and just stuck it up here, and it's like voila, easy breezy, and it's done. And of course the final step with this is, if you did want to of course give it a light layer of paint just to even it out and make it nice and crisp. So for the top, I'm just showing you these two examples right here because I absolutely love this product from Amazon. I did my countertops, literally, it's a total mess right here. I did these countertops over 2 years ago and they are still amazing. Like, I really can't get over it. So I'm really excited. So what I'm really showing you is the stuff from Amazon, super shiny and great. And this is the stuff that you can actually get at Walmart. You can see like the quality clearly is not there. This is worth its weight in gold, this product right here. It is super amazing. I cannot wait to coat the top. All right, now comes the fun part, this marble topping right here. Some use a credit card. I have one of these like scrapers. You can get these at the dollar store. But like I said, credit card works for people. And the key really is with this one is that when you're using this, is that you want to make sure that it's just long enough so you can tuck it underneath here, and then the lip just land right here. That's how it like really attaches the best. And
all right, time to get it on the tabletop. So peeling it back. Now I'm gonna be doing this a couple of times. You'll see me kind of like repositioning it, just showing you that it can be lifted up and back down again, because you will most likely get at least one air bubble that you will need to correct. The thing is that I will just suggest with using this part, you just need to be gentle, because you can rip it if you are too aggressive with it, but you can literally pull it back as long as you're pulling it back really gently and taut. See, I see I have some air bubbles. I'm just literally going over and over again. It's really easy because it kind of just rolls right up, and it's very taut too because it's very sticky. So it's really easy to use like once you have it down, and you just kind of like plug away at it.
And oh my gosh, I love it. Now I am not good at gift wrapping, but if you are, these corners will be a cinch. These are definitely the hardest parts, but I did it just good enough. I mean, I'm not a perfectionist. It literally took no time at all, and I have a cute little island now and a little bit of a workspace. And I did keep, I did not go over this line in case I did want to modify this table a little bit in a little way, but yeah, love it. And so exciting, I have the amazing kitchen island that I have been wanting. And what's really nice about this project is that if I wanted to make it bigger for any reason, I can certainly add on to it and get another top for it. So the possibilities are endless for it. So let me know if you DIY, if you have made a kitchen island, or if you have a fun project that you did that you absolutely love. I would love to know about it. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to share photos of your projects or things that you've done. I would love to know. And of course, thank you all for watching this little DIY project. I really appreciate each and every single one of you, and we will see you soon.